Good morning, students. Welcome to your learning program. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to discuss some problem of CCE test paper 7. CCE test paper 7. Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss part A, question number 1. Okay. So see, question number 1. We have to convert 4 whole pi by 8 into a decimal fraction. So how we will convert into a decimal fraction? First, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. So this will be equal to 4 into 8 plus 5 by 8. Now, this will be equal 8 for the 32 plus 5 by 8. Now, this will be equal 37 by 8. Now, we have to convert into decimal fraction. So, decimal fraction means here in the denominator we want 10. We want 10. Either 10, 100 or 1000. So, here we can multiply numerator and denominator by if we want 10 here, then we can multiply denominator with, it is 2 cube. So we have to multiply with 5 cube. 5 5 is 25 into 125 into 125 in the numerator. Now it will become 37 into 125 is 125 into 37 is 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 7 and 7 plus 1 8. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6. 1 7. 3 1 is 3. Now 5. 7 plus 5 12. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 16. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 6 2 5. So 4 6 2 5 divided by 1000. So this is your decimal fraction. Now let's see another problem. Express 105 centimeter into meter using decimal. So to convert 105 centimeter into meter, we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. We know that if 1 centimeter 1 by 100 meter, then 105 centimeter will be equal to 105 by 5 by 100 meter. We have to divide by 100. Now this will be equal to, in decimal you can write 1.05 meter. Okay, this is your answer. Now let's see another problem. Express 8 meter as kilometer. Express 6 kilometer. Question number 3. And 5 meter as kilometer using decimal. So we know that this is 6 kilometer plus 5 meter and 6 kilometer plus this will be How to convert meter into kilometer? 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. We know that. So this will be equal 5 by 1000 kilometer. Now 6 kilometer plus 0.005 kilometer. This we can write it in. This is 6 point. This is unlike decimal, so convert it into like decimal. 6.000 kilometer plus 0.005 kilometer. Now you can add them 6.000 and 0.005. So you will get, when you will add it together, you will get 6.005. So 6.005 kilometer is the answer. Now let's discuss another problem. See question number 6. Subtract 0.528 from 3.2. So 3.2, this is unlike decimal. How many? It has 3 decimal places, so we have to make a decimal of 3 decimal places. So you have to add 2 0 here. So first step will be lining up the decimal. From this, you have to subtract 0.528. Okay. So decimal point should be aligned in the same direction. So first of all, lining up the decimal point should be on the same line. Okay. So the lining of the decimal is very important, and after that we will now subtract it. So we will take 8 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we will take 1 carry from here, but it has nothing, so this will take 1 carry from here, it will become 10, and now it will give 1 to this, it will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now it has given 1 to this one, it will become 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Now it has 1, it will take carry from here, it will become 1 and 1 is 1 and 1 makes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Here is just decimal point, so give a decimal point. Now it will decrease by 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So this is your answer. Okay. Now let's discuss another problem. What must be, see question number 8. What must be subtracted from 13? What is to be subtracted from 13? So that we will get 5.4. What should be subtracted from 13 so that we will get 5.4? We don't know. So this will be equal, since something is subtracted from 13, it means that this number is smaller. So 13 minus this number will be equal to 13 minus 5.4. Okay. So 5.4, 13 minus, first of all make it into like decimal, 13.0 minus 5.4. Now subtract it here, 13.0 and 5.4. So 4 cannot be subtracted from 0, it will take 1 carry, 1 and 0 makes 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. Now it is 2, it will take carry from here, it will become 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. So 7.6 should be subtracted from 13, then you will get 5.4. So your today's homework will be complete CC test paper 7. Okay. Complete CC test paper 7. Okay, complete it. Okay, students. Thanks for watching the video.